Hello, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services sales executives, for our video message of the week. All right, this week's message is about 3 game-changing strategies to drive your business forward. Let's jump right in and get started. Strategy number 1, the client's mindset matters most. Please don't ever forget this. You know, now that we're in a full traditional marketplace, it is more important than ever than it has been in the last numerous years to fully understand what the client's wants and needs are. Don't assume, don't act like we already know, be curious and ask questions. The beautiful thing about this strategy is they will give you the exact direction they want you to go. You don't have to guess. You don't have to jump in different directions. Just ask and they will tell you, this is what's important to me, and you'll know the areas to key in on. Strategy number 2, the real estate business will always be a production-based business first. What do I mean by that? I mean, I want you to focus on driving production up, driving your revenue first, getting to where you want to earn first before you get so focused on what you're spending on your business. I am all for watching your costs, but not in lieu of your income, not in lieu of your revenue. So many people make this mistake instead of focusing first on getting their income up where it needs to be. And guess what? Controlling your cost at that point gets easier and gets simpler. And lastly, and probably most importantly, you don't end up cutting away necessary services or support to drive your business even further. Because now you're in a situation to make choices instead of making cuts just because you feel you have to, not always because you want to. And third strategy, and very, very important, is focus on what you want to achieve, not focus on your problem. Here's what I mean by that is, listen, we're all going to have challenges, we're all going to have problems. When you run into a problem or a challenge, diagnose it. You got to know what the problem is, all right? Be able to move forward. I get that point. But what I don't want you to do is get tied up in what the issue is. Once you diagnose it, move on. Focus on where you want to be. That's where your true answers will come from. That's where that next idea will come from to move your business forward. But if you're stuck in the muck, talking about where the issues are, where the problems are, you're not asking the right questions. And without asking the right questions, the right answers don't come. So ask the right questions, stay focused on where you want to go, what that outcome is you're looking for, and by doing that, you'll ask the right questions and you'll move in the right direction. Have a great week, everybody. We'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.